So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get an 80% discount with ExpressVPN. Before we dive into it, you don't need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but the discount is in the form of cashback. So that means that ExpressVPN will automatically pay you back 80% of the subscription right back to you once you've checked out. So what you need to do to activate the cashback discount offer is head to our website called TopCashback, and you can find the link below in the description. TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website that provides cashback discounts on all sorts of online shopping. Plenty of general things you can buy online are listed here, such as hotels, flights, and of course a cashback offer for ExpressVPN, which is what we'll cover in this video. But once you've clicked the link below, you should come across a landing page which looks similar to this. So from here, you just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning as well, for using my link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign-up bonus as well. So click the link below, and once you've signed up, we can then go through step by step on how to claim your 80% ExpressVPN discount. But once you've signed up, you should be pulled through to the home dashboard, which looks similar to this. So from here, because we want ExpressVPN, we'll just want to go ahead and search for it at the top. Should then pull you through to this page here, where you can then go ahead and click on the ExpressVPN listing, where it says get up to 80% cashback. So the way this works is TopCashback and ExpressVPN have an affiliation. So that means if you buy your ExpressVPN subscription through TopCashback, you'll basically be paid back 80% of the subscription right back to you after checking out. So claiming the discount cashback is quite easy. So first things first, you'll just want to go ahead and click on the red button, which says get up to 80% cashback. From here, it should then pull you through to the ExpressVPN website, where you can then go ahead and pick the right subscription that's right for you. Obviously, keep in mind that the cashback offer is only available on one occasion, so for the best deal, you'll likely want to opt for an annual plan. It still does provide cashback discounts on monthly subscriptions, but it'll only discount the first month for you. So for the best deal, I'd probably advise the 12-month plan, as that way you get the 80% cashback offer for that entire year. But once you've decided which package you want, you'll just want to go ahead and check out like normal. Again, there's no need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but you must make sure that the purchase is made through the same tab that TopCashback opened up, as that's how they link the sale to your account, which in turn is how you get your cashback. In terms of your cashback, you should get an email off of TopCashback, usually within 5 to 10 minutes, to say that your cashback has been tracked and is eligible for cashback. But do be patient, as sometimes it could take up to half an hour. But if you head back into TopCashback, go up to account here, select on earnings, and then it should show a pending amount in your account from ExpressVPN with how much cashback you're due to be paid back. But once you see the pending amount, that is it, and you've successfully earned cashback, therefore a discount on your ExpressVPN subscription. It can take a few weeks for it to be paid out, but again, if you keep an eye on your TopCashback account, you should be notified on when you are able to receive the payout on it. But other than that, that's pretty much it, and you can then go ahead and enjoy ExpressVPN, knowing that you've received the cashback discount on your annual or yearly plan, or whatever it is you've got. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like. Any questions, feel free to comment, and thanks again for watching.